We have recently posted a video where GST slab revised discussion was going on. But now the good news all over the internet by our finance minister is the 28% and 12% tax removed. And also there is no cess. The biggest update is that cess is removed and also 28% and 12% GST is removed. So now it is simplified to 18% and 5%. Let's look at in detail about how you can make your trucking business more profitable from now. Though trucks didn't have cess earlier, but they came under 28% of GST, which now falls under 18%, which is a bigger help for the logistics operator and transporter to expand their fleet. First thing is trucks are cheaper. Before, where the trucks were fallen under the 28% GST slab, now fall under 18%. That is directly a 10% of discount. For example, if you're buying a truck for 30 lakhs, now 3 to 5 lakhs will be reduced of cost. Imagine the impact if you're buying one new truck or adding 10 more to your fleet. The savings directly affect the cash flow and also lets you expand your fleet. Second is tires and operating costs are lower. It is not about the truck's cost, but the daily expense which you make on maintenance and also spare parts, everything are going to be changed and will fall under 5%. For example, tires, spare parts, lubricants, and consumables are now taxed under 5% instead of 18%. For example, let's look at truck maintenance and tire cost. Old price of per tire before GST change will cost around 25,000. So total 6 tires will cost around 1,50,000. With 18% GST earlier, 1,77,000 you spent. With now revised GST, you spend 1,57,500. That means you're saving per tire change cycle 19,500. And trucks usually need new tires every 80,000 to 1 lakh kilometer. So this saving repeats multiple times. Now the annual maintenance, spares, lubricants and services. Average maintenance bill per truck per year is 2 lakhs. With 18% GST, it will cost around 2,36,000. With 5% GST now, it will cost around 2,10,000. That is a saving of 26,000 per year. Now the total saving for one truck in a year, tires plus maintenance, you will save up to 45,500. For a small fleet owner with 10 trucks, that's 4.5 lakh saving every year just on tires and maintenance. Now the important thing is more trip means more businesses. We all know in the logistics industry that trucking rates and also loads have been flat for more than a year. Now, essential electronic vehicles, everything are going to be cheaper for the consumers to buy. First thing is dealers have already been saying that they will not be able to meet the demand which is coming on. Second, that means more goods, more shipments and more trucks will be needed. In next 2 to 3 months, categories like two-wheelers, cars, tractors, trucks and spare parts will have a rise in movement, directly creating opportunity for businesses. Whether you are a single truck owner or managing fleet, you will have business. Fourth is stronger margin and competitiveness. What does this mean is when ownership and maintenance costs drop, truckers will have flexibility in pricing. You can offer better freight rates to your customers with having still a profit healthy margin. Fifth one is impact on autos, two-wheelers and tractors. It's not just about trucks. Cars, two-wheelers, tractors have also been moved to lower GST slab. Tractors, tires and irrigation pumps have dropped from 18% to 5% GST. A tractor costing 10 lakhs will cost you less than 1.3 lakhs per truck. This means farmers spend less on tractors and equipment which will help them produce more. When more tractors are sold, trucks are need to move them. And when farmer produces more, there is more production item for the retailers to sell. So cheaper tractors don't only help farmers, but help the whole supply chain which is surrounded in their production so that everyone has business. Now what the expert insights and public opinions say about this GST slab change? Economists say that GST reduction will add up to 0.4% in the India's GDP of increasing more consumption and reducing inflation. SBI research predicts that higher demand will offset any revenue loss, projecting 52,000 crores extra GST production through consumption-led growth. On social media, people are calling as early Diwali gift for middle class, especially when the prices have reduced to electronics and daily essential items. Critics point out one concerning item: if you purchase about 2,500, you have to pay 18% of tax, which is affecting the textile industry and artisans. And logistics experts are happy and say that this is the time we all have been waiting for the freight rates to be fair, and also the cost should go down for a transporter so that he can run his business sustainably. When fleet price goes down, freight rate increases, which makes India more competitive in the global economy. Now, why this is bigger than just a tax cut? This change is not about reducing GST. It is about resetting the India's consumption cycle. The government has simplified the slab system. Prices have dropped across the sector. Inflation comes under control because essential and logistics got cheaper. And most importantly, family and business have a strong motive to spend to grow faster. In short, this GST change doesn't make the trucks more affordable, but also makes the whole economy more sustainable and profitable. And while the government may not fulfill all our demand, we should still appreciate this change after 7 years. If you're planning to buy Thar car, this is the right time, because according to government norms, this car is also a small car, and also from 31% of GST, now this falls under 18% of GST. Isn't it good?